market review is of the Airbus A380, and it's a 144 scale model by Revell. I think it's actually Revell of Germany. There are the dimensions, and this is a picture of the real plane. And here we have some pictures of the real plane as well, different aspects of it. And here we have some of the details about the plane. And let's have a look inside. It's a large box. It is a large plane. So already you can see the size of this plane. Here's the fuselage. It's fairly well molded. We've got some recessed lines. We also have many little windows. And it's the double decker that goes all the way back. Here is the other side of the fuselage, all very nicely molded. It's good quality, recessed lines. Not really that much on the inside, but you'll be able to see it anyway. Let's have a look at the rest of this. Let's have a look at the rest of the screws here. It looks like this is our glass here, which really is only the main cockpit and possibly lights. Doesn't look like there's anything actually covering the windows, so we need to get some clear plastic for that. Here are our wings, very large wings, recessed lines, very nicely detailed. Here's a wheel well. Here's our stabilizer and elevator. This is the wingtip. Looks like our activators there for the flaps will go down that side. Here's the other side. Again, looks pretty similar. Nicely molded. Looks like here are the activators for the flaps. We have our engine. These are the fan blades, as well as exhaust parts. Got little fuselage parts here, pitot tubes and so on, nose gear. Here's our gear parts and gear cover. Here's the main underside of the fuselage. Got some fuselage wheel well covers. Here's the cockpit and landing gear, parts of the engine, and all the wheels. Lots of wheels, lots and lots of wheels. Here we have the engine parts. The ducts, those will all get put into here. Here's the air intakes. Our wheel wells there for the main gear. And not sure what these are. Here are the engine covers and mounting pods. So those are very nicely molded, and there are 4 of them. Those are all the parts. Let's have a look at our decals here. We have lots of decals. So here are the lines, and very nicely printed. And here you can see also, again, very nicely printed. Lots of good detail here. This is supposed to cover up the all the windows. I'll probably reinforce it with some clear plastic anyway. Here are all the door covers. Really great decals there. Let's have a look at our instructions now. So there are the colors needed. And we have a parts listing. We start off with the cockpit, and then options to do it either flying or on the ground. There's the landing gear, if you can do it on the ground. lots of wheels in that landing gear, so that's what those parts are for. And then wings go together. Main fuselage goes together then. Need to wait for the front so that it doesn't tip over backwards. And then wings go on the fuselage. Main fuselage body goes on underneath. And then we start to build the nose gear, it looks like. So these are the, actually these are the side of the main gear. So those we'll put on. And then we have our actuators for the flaps. Those are all put together. Tail stabilizers put together. And then we start to build the engines. There are the actuators going on. And the elevator. Engines being built. More engines being built, and then these are then finally put onto the actual plane. Here we put the glass on and all the additional body parts, and then we've got our little tail section, and looks like you can cut that if you want to have an open. So lastly, that's if you want to have it closed. And so here we have the painting and decal guide, and that is a very nice airplane. Some great decals. There's the other side, and really that's going to be a great model to build.